we want to give clear citizenship to the people who has been persecuted on religious line in Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh.
You've chosen three countries very deliberately, very selectively,
Maybe Rajdeep.
in a manner to target Muslims. Yes. What about Ahmadiyas? What about those from Balochistan tomorrow?
Rajdeep, we want to target Bangladeshi Muslim, Pakistani Muslim and Afghanistani Muslim who has entered into this country because of economic reason. I have no doubt in agreeing. Muslim will be persecuted in Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan for practicing Quran. Because nobody can be persecuted on religious line in Islamic Republic because I am practicing Quran. But look at why they will be persecuted.
बनते वीडियो में अपन कुल्फा कराते ऐसे लोगों को ऑडियो में जिससे बैठ जाते उसको पेल लेते बाकी जो फिराक में बैठे ले उन लोगों को दिल
What you are saying is against the Constitution of India.
How?
Article 14 is very clear.
No. Article, no, Rajdeep. When Muslim has a special civil code, and Hindu is having a common civil code, that is also violation of Article 14. But on intelligent differentiation is allowed under Constitution of India. That is why everybody is enjoying reservation today, because we have to give special dispensation.
65, 70-year-old senior citizens have to go to court, foreign tribunals to prove that they are Assamese or Indians.
Assamese people will do that again and again and again. If you assure them that you are going to get an NRC free of foreigners, he will go to tribunal 100 times to sacrifice. Every Assamese people will sacrifice. Ask him. If I can assure him that you are going to get a free and fair NRC, are you not ready to go 100 times to that tribunal? He is ready. You ask him.
Hemanta Da, let's be honest. Your
I'm saying honestly.
Your lookist politics, whether it's here in Bengal or whether it is in Assam, is playing to the fears of people's prejudices.
Not playing fear. You have seen that Satradhika talking to yourself. His own niece was kidnapped openly. And nobody could say anything because that area is already captured by those people. Entire district has been captured by those people. You must visit Rajdeep, Assam along with us to send some of your prejudice.
You believe that the people of India voted for you for CAB or for the Achedin of the economy? You want to constantly find some emotive issue after the other, some Hindu-Muslim issue, क्योंकि आपको अपनी रोटी सेकनी है.
मेरा तो लगता है सेकुलर लोगों को रोटी सेकना है, इसीलिए ये सब का वो लोग वोट बाहर करता है. Did Nirmala Sitharaman has not reduced corporate tax? Is Nirmala Sitharaman is not moving state to state for economy? If newspaper only focus on our ideological agenda and not on economic agenda, this is your problem.
You are saying we don't believe this NRC. Why? Because you found that your vote bank, Bengali Hindus, are also being found excluded from the NRC. You want to retain your vote bank. You've now come out with a new googly of CAB, that we want to bring a citizen amendment bill. Basically, you want to protect your vote bank. There is no morality in what you are doing.
Being a Hindu, being an Indian, how you are opposing CAB? You are giving shelter to somebody who are being forced to convert their religion. Your channel narrated the story of that Sikh lady who has been forced to convert their religion. Every day people are losing temple. Your girls are being forced to marry someone forcefully. You are being forced to convert your religion.
Where does this leave your entire basis on which you went along with the NRC? You said, 1 minute. 1 year ago on this platform, you said anyone who comes post 1971 will not be accepted. What have you done 12 months later? You don't like the way out of the 19 lakhs, 11 or 12 lakhs are Hindu families.
Who has given you these statistics?
When your leadership is here in Bengal, you don't play the NRC card as aggressively.
No.
One minute. When you're in Assam, you play the NRC card aggressively. When you're in Bengal, Because you want that Bengali Hindu vote, you play the CAB card.
No,
Let's be
Rajdeep-
honest. You
Rajdeep-
are playing the worst kind of vote bank
No,
politics.
no.
You accuse other parties of playing vote bank politics. You are playing the Bengali Hindu vote bank politics.
Rajdeep, problem is that you have to listen carefully to the BJP leadership, because sometimes many secular people do not want to listen BJP leadership carefully. Amit Shah has said on Bengal on record
Yes.
that I will do CAB first. I will give citizenship to every Motua Bengali refugee, every Hindu Bengali refugee at first instance. Once I complete the process of giving citizenship to every Hindu Bengali, thereafter I will do NRC. That is Mr. Amit Shah is on record in Calcutta just 2 months back.